Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the OBS game capture black screen issue in Valorant. If OBS is not capturing Valorant properly, this quick guide should help you fix it. Let's get right into it. First, completely close Valorant and OBS. Make sure both applications are fully closed and not running in the background. Now open the Start menu and type OBS. Right-click on OBS and select Run as Administrator. Once OBS is open, check if game capture still shows a black screen. If the problem is still happening, there's a high chance you have RivaTuner Statistics Server installed on your PC. Open RivaTuner Statistics Server. Click on Setup, then scroll down until you find Microsoft Detours API hooking. Make sure this option is enabled, then click OK. Now close both Valorant and OBS again. Reopen OBS as administrator. If game capture still doesn't work, click the plus icon in OBS. Select Display Capture instead of Game Capture. Choose your display. Then launch Valorant and check if the game is now being captured correctly. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to fix OBS game capture not working or showing a black screen in Valorant. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.